Hello, my name is Michelle Best, and this is my Let's Get Digital narrated video using lecture as an instructional technique. So I'm going to be focusing on one journal article, The Voice of Teachers in a Paperless Classroom. So the benefits of going paperless. According to the journal article, the primary rationale for the paperless classroom is to promote a more efficient and organized classroom while preparing students for the practical world outside school walls. So paperless pedagogy aims to improve the learning experience and help students develop electronic skills and competencies. And the article talks a lot about how it helps improve student engagement and motivation. It builds higher order thinking skills and collaboration. It can influence how the instructor and students communicate with each other. And students with disabilities, for example, dysgraphia, can use it more efficiently because they can type instead of handwrite, which is what impacts their disability. And in general, students respond positively to the paper classroom. They like learning this way, and they tend to prefer not to go back to paper system once they've done this. There's challenges, though, of going paperless. So alongside the benefits the teachers recognize in teaching in a paperless classroom, they also pointed out some difficulties and some disadvantages. Particular distraction and discipline problems. We know that kids are often not doing what they're supposed to be doing when they're supposed to be doing it. There's also the issue of information overload. There's a lot to learn, and there's always more to learn and new things to learn. So students and adults will become fatigued with all the learning. You can have technological problem, and some teachers do feel that they lead to undeveloped social skills, reading skills, and poor writing on paper. So the rationale behind a paperless classroom: 1, it prepares students for the future. 2, it's a little more efficient. There's efficiency of learning. Learning in the paperless classroom was efficient in terms of time and accessibility, organization of information and technology, and improved communication among students and teachers. It leads to some empowerment of students. And technology allowed students to design teachers to design lessons that focus on active and meaningful learning and contribute to the enjoyment of learning. But we have to remember that the challenge is that some teachers felt that it's not the technology that could be the problem. If their lesson is not good, then the computer will not help make it better. Good teaching is good teaching, whether using digital tools or using paper. And here are some references. And the question that I'd like you to answer: is it time for teachers and classrooms to become paperless? So choose either a benefit or a challenge and discuss your choice by referring to a personal experience you've had using paperless or learning in an online way. You can rewind this video, of course, and fast forward or pause according to what works best for you. But please click on Back Channel. And then you're going to type in your display name and click Start, and you will answer the question. Thank you.